Hello everyone. Welcome to the demo on automatic identification of off-label drug usage using Pharma Intelligence. We are an AI-based intelligent document processing company focused on unstructured texts and messages. Our solutions are more accurate and accelerate time to value. And today we will be showing you a Pharma Intelligence solution that we built for identification of off-label drug use. Some of the key challenges that the pharma companies have are a couple of things. One is they have a limited access to the consumer and end user feedback. It is hard to interpret and classify what these consumers and end users are trying to say. And it is also hard to identify the off label indications. It's quite challenging to address these. So, what we have done is we have built a solution to leverage social media. Why social media? It provides another perspective. Social media has a rich source of data. It augments structured data from medical claims and records. And which social media are we leveraging in this context? The demo I'm going to show today is the Reddit feed that we use to demonstrate how you can do this. Some of the key benefits of using Pharma Intelligence are faster time to value. It's an out of the box solution that comes with some pre-trained classifiers. It improves the productivity of the SMEs, and it's all meaning based and leverages cortical.io's natural language understanding. So, how does the Pharma Intelligence work? As I mentioned, at first, the source of the information will be Reddit in this case, and then the data will be filtered by the medication name and any other additional names provided. And then there will be multiple layers of classification such as language, relevance, ambiguity, and indication. Now, let's quickly get into the demo. So this is the application which can be used by the pharma companies to see what people were using their drugs for, whether they are using whether they're using for diseases that the medication has been approved for or for off-label usages. The whole idea is to monitor from any social media websites. In this demo, the application monitors the data from Reddit, as I already mentioned, and we have some trackers already present here, as you can see. But for this demo, let's try creating a new tracker. Now let's provide the medication name as paracetamol. So I'll give the name as paracetamol, and the date available from can be Jan 1, 2020, and I just go ahead and create a new tracker here. And now you can also provide any of the additional names here. Any of the names related to paracetamol. In this case, let's say Tylenol is one of the names. I'll go ahead and add this. So the approved indications for the medication can be configured by selecting several on-label indications. So in this case, it would be, let's go ahead and check. In this case, it could be headaches and it would be pain. And the date available from is 1st Jan 2020. Now let me go ahead and quickly run this application. So once you run the application, it will start retrieving the data, the comments from Reddit from the provided date. It will go through the historic data first to check for comments and posts mentioning paracetamol and Tylenol and put them in a database. It will also have live data. The system continuously checks for posts and comments made by people in real time related to the medication. And once you run, you can view the results as you can see on the screen. You can view the results for the off-label drug usage and also the on-label drug usage. So you can see that, there are comments related to insomnia, anxiety, depression, for which, the people would have used this particular drug for. And let me get into any one of them. Say, for example, headaches. I'm clicking on this label, and you can view the indication confidence, the usage confidence, the actual comment here. So what comment is it? And you can also go ahead and click this button to view the exact comment. in Reddit. So the indication confidence here shows, how sure the application is about the labeling, right? It's as simple as that. Now, what happens at the back end? What happens under the hood, right? A pipeline gets automatically created once you run create a new tracker and run it. As you can see, a pipeline has automatically been created, right? The data analysis consists of several different stages. At first, this has been connected to a Reddit data source, right? And the data will be filtered by the medication name and any other additional names provided. In this case, it would be Tylenol and paracetamol. And we have a classifier for ambiguity, and we have a classifier for language here. So the data is filtered to remove any of the non-English content, and then this is piped through a classifier called relevance to remove any of the irrelevant data. For example, people talking about the drug in the context of stock prices or research papers. Such kind of irrelevant comments or data will be removed here. And then finally, the action will be taken. The remaining posts are then labeled with the indication people are taking the drug for and displayed in the on label or off label section of the results page, as you saw a few minutes back, and this depending on the configured on label indications. So this is how the pharmaceutical industries can leverage the pharma intelligence solution to see the indication of off-label drug usages. I hope this demo gave a good context on the pharma intelligence solution that we have. Thank you.